Hello class, welcome. Alright, so today is a very special day because we are going to be doing a bit of grammar. Now, how many of you have heard of what a noun is? Okay, so a few of you, that's great. So we've learnt a lot of English vocabulary before, and we're going to be spending this lesson learning about exactly what constitutes a noun, the rules that apply to them when they move from a singular form to a plural form. Okay, so do you know what singular and plural means? Yes, singular means only one. And plural? More than one. 2, 3, 8,000. Could be any number. Okay, so from day one, you've been learning about nouns. Nouns are very broad. Basically, you cannot have a sentence without having a noun. The Cambridge English Dictionary defines noun as a word that refers to a person, a place, thing, event, substance, or quality. So I'm just going to write these up. That is a person, a place, say in London, a thing, a boat, an event, Christmas, a substance, water, or a quality, soft. Okay, so as you can see, I have a few examples on the board here. Can you guys come up with any other examples for nouns? Yes, a pencil, a table, a tree, the air, Easter, what was that? Yes, a lamp. Great. So these are all singular things, and what today's class is about the changes of these words from being in singular form to plural form. So most of these do follow a rule, but quite a few don't. So let's get into it. The regular plural forms is simply the noun plus S. So we have the word book moving to books. We just add S. Radio to radios. Plant to plants. So these are called regular plural forms. As easy as it would be if everything was regular, that is just not the case, unfortunately, in English. So there are a few more general kind of rules, but there are always exceptions to the rules. And unfortunately, these exceptions you're just going to have to learn by heart. However, I will go into these smaller rules first. Okay, nouns ending in F and FE will usually change to VES. One life, many lives. One leaf, many leaves. One wife, many wives. One knife, many knives. So you see, I'm sure a few of these you may have heard before, and I do hope this starts clicking in your brain. We will go on to the next smaller rule, which is in regards to nouns ending in O. Nouns ending in O will often change to O-E-S. This is in regards to hero becomes heroes. Tomato becomes tomatoes. Potato becomes potatoes. So very similar to the regular plural form, just with a E there as well, I guess. Okay, so now we have some super irregular verbs. I hope you all have your pens and papers out, as these ones are some great ones to write down and to continually remind yourself of. We have 1 foot and feet. 1 man and many men. 1 person and people. 1 tooth or many teeth. A woman or women. So this is very similar to man and men. Okay, so for our next activity, what I would really like you to do is all get into smaller groups, and I would love for all of you to pick one of these smaller rules or the big rule for nouns. And as I deliver out this piece of poster paper, I will give you which of the smaller rules you'll be writing, and then we will be jotting these down and putting them up on the classroom wall. Okay, so please make them legible, bright, and maybe also put the rule at the very top. That would be wonderful. Okay, let's get started. Thanks.